close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm starting the vlog there. So today, guys, I'm taking those folded clothes to my room. Yeah, and I will start cleaning the main corridor over there. So today I'm doing a whole general cleaning for my house, like not bedrooms, just living room, kitchen, bathroom, toilet. Yeah, but mostly I'm going to concentrate fully with our living room, guys. It has been a while before it is done that general cleaning. So if you're new in this channel, consider subscribing. My name is Adija. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber. I does content basically around my home, that is cleaning, cooking, lifestyle, shopping hauls, and generally all about a homestead. Yeah, so stay tuned till the end of the video and see what I did to this cleaning, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I was starting with sweeping the dining table. There were a lot of foodstuffs, guys. Yeah, and then I'm gonna head and clean the seats. Yeah, it's over the holiday, and I have my kids from at our home. Yeah, from my brothers and my sisters. They came for holidays. So you guys, the seats, the house is always on a messy because they're not that big kids. Yeah, so that is what I'm doing. So I decided to do today, do a general cleaning for my living room. Yeah, toilets. Yeah, and just clean the entire house. But the place where I concentrated with the 100% cleaning is the living room, guys, because yeah, some will forget to do it in the dining area. They will just eat snacks in the seats, and then the living room will just get dirty like that. And that is what I'm doing. So hope you're getting some motivation. Like the video, share me out if you can, and get inspired, you guys, and wake up and clean your living room after watching this video till end. Guys, I'm going to clean the seats, remove the table over there, remove the carpet and beat it, clean the windows and open the windows so that the room can just have fresh air, guys. Here, and then I'm going to do a general cleaning for the tables, you guys, dining, TV area. Yeah, but for my TV area, my girl will just help me, guys. As you know, I've not yet recovered from my illness. I'm just trying to make this body not to relax, yeah, so much, because I'm still under medication, very strong one. But guys, yeah, I sometimes, if I just relax the whole day without doing anything, so my body keeps on aching, like weak. So from the doctor's advice, I was told that I should do, even if it's uh cleaning the house, doing some clothes cleaning. Yeah, it's kind of a body physical fitness. So it's part of my healing. So I decided to just work on my muscles, energy, and yeah, not just sleeping in the couch. I've really been sleeping in that couch, guys. Yeah, even I think you have noticed that I've not been consistently, because guys, sometimes I want to bring a content, sometimes I'm weak, I can't, you guys. Yeah, I'm forcing myself to go to job, like waking up, my body's aching everywhere, and then a lot of dizziness, a lot of nausea, a lot of lack of appetite, yeah, so bloating. Yeah, but guys, yeah, so I'm doing fine. When they regulated the medicine, I'm really doing fine. And now I think I should just be doing home course so that the body can just get that energy and relieve that fatigue. Yeah, guys, and I'm telling you, over this weekend, I really have the best moment. The body has been fine. I've slept well, guys. I used to have a lot of stress when I'm sleeping, like I'm not getting enough sleep, and I'll sleep, guys, for 9 hours, 8 hours in the afternoon. Wherever I'll be at job, I will just take a nap, but the body was still under ache, you guys. I think the medicine that they had given me, that dose was just strong for my body. But now, guys, I'm fine. That's why you can see now I'm back to my normal cleaning duties and shooting videos. I think I'm going to be consistency, as I promise you guys. So stay tuned and still the end of the video and tell me what you think about it, guys. Yeah, so this is part of my healing, and I love cleaning my home. I was like, this house is not clean when I was sick, but right now, guys, I'm doing fine by the grace of God. I'm very grateful. So this day I decided to bring you this content about cleaning today my house. So hope you'll get motivated, inspired, like this video, guys. Just share me out, tell me what you think about this vlog, and God will bless you. Share me out. Yeah, so no more talking, guys, just see what I did till the end of the video.
Get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,
guys, I'm done. I want to show you how the kitchen is looking clean. Yeah, the kitchen is clean. My nanny had cleaned the dishes and wiped everywhere. So, and the toilets they are clean after washing them, and the living room is now amazing, very clean. From that door, the dining area is clean as well. The whole entire living room is clean, guys. So hope you have get some motivation. Yeah, and that is how the living room is really looking, guys, over the holiday, guys. A lot of work was done here, and I thank God has given me the energy. Even the TV area is doing fine. Till the next one, bye lovelies.